Good day, guys, do you know that this itel 2160, if you don't fix the charging port very well, that the phone might not on? After you finish fixing charging port, you discover that the phone is not turning on. Is because what you did is not clean. So as you can see now, after I finish removing the old charging port, I make sure I clean it. You clean the legs very well before you fix the new charging port. Make sure you clean it very well, and before you fix the new one, make sure you dress the leg properly before fixing the new charging port. As you can see what I'm doing now, just follow the step, follow me closely. I'm almost done with the work, so that I will test it now so you see it. Clean everywhere, make sure the legs are not joined together, because if they join together they will not work. Look at it, is working now. Guys, like my video, share and comment. See you in my next video.